Hi cuties, it's Cutebutton and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a clothing haul. I recently purchased, or did a huge splurge on Princess Polly's website, and this video is not sponsored. Everything I bought was with my own money, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what I got for this weird spring/summer transition period. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started on this video. So the first thing we're gonna start with are jeans. I got these Aphen's, I think they're called the high waist wide leg Shelby jeans. They look like this. You can see they have like a wider leg at the bottom. They're just like a loose fit jean, and I thought that'd be really cute for the summertime because ain't nobody got time for skinny jeans when it's like 80 plus. And then I got another pair of jeans called the Rolla's Miller jeans. They're mid-high rise, and I know they might look similar to the Aphen's jeans, but they're different colors. One's a much lighter wash. This one has a more denim style to it, which I like. And you know, you just pair this up with like a simple top or even a cropped sweater, and because in the mornings it's cold and I normally get cold easily. So I also purchased some skirts. The first skirt I bought was this little floral mini skirt. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep this one or if I'm going to return it because it does look a little too short for my liking. I also bought this cute little fun black skirt that's got like a knit pattern to it. I don't know if you can tell. But I thought this would be really cute with the crop top. I'm going to be saying really cute a lot in this video, I just realized, because that's like one thing I say all the time. Bear with me. I like it. It's a good fit. Feels really comfy. It doesn't feel like I'm going to die, and it's not too thick of a material. I'll be linking down below the pieces that I bought, just in case you guys want to check it out and see. Again, not sponsored, just, you know, just a regular girl just buying clothes. Then I got this skirt, which kind of looks similar to a skirt I already own, but it has two slits in the front, and it's by the brand Motel. I haven't tried it on yet, so we'll see if it's short or not. Not too sure yet. The next thing I got, 3 tops. This top I got, and it's really cute. It's a cropped, kind of, not very turtleneck-y. It's not like a turtleneck or anything, but it's like high rise to the neck, long sleeve shirt. But you can still wear it in the summer without looking like you're overheating. I then got this short sleeved top, which you can pair with like those denim jeans that I got, and put on a little backpack or a little fanny pack and be out the door. It's a really pretty silk vintage looking top, which I love, and I would probably wear this with high-waisted loose fit pants over the summer because it's a little risque, but I have like a bra that I would wear underneath, and it's pretty cool, and you're not gonna die in it. And yeah, and I say that as I'm wearing like a sweater dress right now because I'm cold, because I run cold, and that's just me. I then got this dress. It's just a cute skater girl dress. Well, you can't really skate in it, but it's called Skater Girl. Don't ask me why, I don't know. With a oversized denim jacket, which I actually bought a new one because obviously I have a whole closet full of denim jackets. If you follow me on Instagram, I love my denim jackets. And I bought a dark wash denim jacket, something I don't already have, which I'm really excited to style. Like super excited, like, oh my God. And here it is. It's called the Phoenix denim jacket. I wear the Western denim jacket a lot from Princess Polly, and I was like, I'm gonna try this one. It would look really cute with this dress, like just imagine. It's gonna be really exciting to style these pieces on the Instagram. And if you guys want a main channel video where I style these pieces for like a summer lookbook, let me know in the comments. Make sure to comment down below so that I know what you guys want to see, because I don't know what you guys want to see if you don't tell me. I then went on and purchased 2 sweaters, crop sweaters, because you know me, I can't buy anything unless there's a sweater involved. I got this really cute cropped sweater, this cropped sweater, and it has these like funky sleeves. Again, not so sure how I'm gonna like this. I have to try it on to see, but I literally just got this package in the mail and I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys. So this is all fairly new to me. I don't know what it's gonna look like. We'll have to see what it looks like. Officially, lastly, I bought a pair of shoes, and I've never bought shoes from Princess Polly before, so this is my first time. And I'm really happy I did, because these shoes are really, really nice. And they're not super expensive. Again, I'll link everything I got down below. These are the Therapy boots. I don't know what their name is. Oxtons. I will correct myself if I'm wrong. But yeah, they are really comfy, which I'm really surprised. And they're pretty tall too, so it's like a good pair of concert heels. You know me, I love a good concert heel, but yeah, that is everything. I hope you cuties enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more clothing hauls in the future, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Also, if you guys have a specific video you want to see from me, make sure to also comment them down below. I love hearing everything you guys have to say, and I truly do read each and every comment on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, my handle is @Cutebutton. My other social medias will also be linked down below. But until the next video, I love you cuties, and I'll see you soon.